Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to update Bambu Studio, so let's get straight into it. Now, usually Bambu Studio will show you a notification pop up automatically, but if a new version drops, but if you missed it, we can check manually. So how we do that? Firstly, open Bambu Studio on your computer. Now what we need to do is click the drop down arrow icon in the very top left corner of the window, located just above the prepare tab next to the file. Now hover your mouse down over the help option and then you will click on check for updates. So right here, check for updates, and if an update is ready, a uh, pop-up will show the release note, uh, and then you will click install update and let the assistant finish the setup. So in this version right now it's nothing to update, so yeah, I can't show you that. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.